It has been a long haul for healthcare workers in Maine this last 18 months, and with COVID-19 case counts on the rise now, it's not over.
And we're starting to hear from frontline workers about what they're seeing and the pandemic fatigue that they're feeling and how very real it is. Our Chloe Thibault met up with some of them. And Chloe, how are they doing? They've got to be exhausted.
Haley and Sharon, yeah, that's definitely right. You know, I spoke with two nurses who work in the ICU at Maine Medical Center in Portland. They've been caring for COVID-19 patients since the start of the pandemic last March, and they say they're exhausted and frustrated as the Delta variant continues to take hold. The one message they want Mainers to understand, the pandemic still isn't over.
You guys in your hand?
A typical day in the ICU with a COVID patient, they are terribly sick. They can't have visitors.
Shannon Calvert has been a nurse at Maine Medical Center for more than 2 decades. The last year and a half, though, has been unlike any other time.
It's been hard. It has its ups and downs.
The most recent data from Maine Medical Center released last Thursday indicates 29 people were hospitalized at the facility with COVID-19. 14 of them in the ICU. Hospital officials couldn't break those numbers down by vaccination status, but Calvert says
People that have the vaccine and then get COVID, they don't get ICU sick. They're not on a ventilator.
Our numbers are back up. We're kind of back where we were almost a year ago now, and our ICU is full.
fellow ICU nurse Danielle Poulin says Maine Medical Center's ICU now has 4 COVID units,
Does 26 have a line?
a number that has doubled in the past couple of weeks.
People are still dying. We have a lot of people dying.
Do you need some help?
Trying times in a tough industry, a passion for helping others, keeping these nurses going.
I mean, I love nursing, but I'll be honest, I'm getting burnt out. I'm tired. I'm exhausted coming into work now, and yeah, it's tough.
The evidence has put itself out there. I see this every day. COVID is real. COVID is killing people.
Calvert and Poulin say they're worried COVID case numbers have already climbed so high in the summer months, especially since as the weather gets colder, more people tend to gather indoors. They say their tips for Mainers are to get vaccinated and wear a mask, if not for yourself, then for other people. Live from the newsroom this morning, Chloe Thibault, News Center Maine. Lee, back to you.
Yeah, Chloe, thank you so much for that.